be a marine. The theme will be marine theme restaurant, and we'll be having a live food session, like live food, special catch of the days, and we'll be having a branching Kalamur.
So your location will be Kalamur. Okay. You want to add something else?
So we are going to get the loan from the PNB from Mudra.
Mudra. Okay, that's good.
And the food and drug license, FSSI.
Very
We are
good.
going to hire employer from
Institutes.
institutes.
Okay.
Who are not skilled.
Yeah, who are not here.
Or
We are
semi-skilled.
Yeah.
Semi-skilled.
Freshers.
Yeah, freshers and semi-skilled. Okay, good.
So our restaurant is going to have like live food.
Live food.
Yeah, live
Okay.
food. People going to come, they're going to see the food, they're going to order which one they want. They will be like, everything is going to be live.
Our other food items are
Okay.
crispy chicken,
Your
Fried
other
rice.
menu items would be crispy chicken. Okay, that's good. Besides the live food, you'll have also this. Okay.
Yeah, the normal menu will have Charlie restaurants give. The starters will be of packages.
Okay. What kind of packages?
Packages like seafood with a drink, a
Oh,
cocktail.
okay. So you're going to give like combos.
Yeah,
Okay, by the way, this restaurant is going to be a sit-down restaurant, a proper full-fledged restaurant, or a QSR, which is a quick service restaurant.
Sit down restaurant, sir. They're going to sit on the small boats.
But it will be a quick service restaurant. Okay. So in that case, you can serve combos to multiply the revenue.
It's not like a quick restaurant, sir. They're going to come, the guests will come inside, they're
Yes.
going to check the food. There will be everything live food. Seafood, live fish, live crab, live octopus. They're going to order everything they want.
You agree with that? So it's a different concept, and you are going to be working in the business.
Yes, sir.
How much loan you think you require? How much finance do you require?
Around 40 lakhs.
40 lakhs
Yes, sir.
for a startup? Okay. Luckily, you're getting Mudra 10 lakhs each. But I think you should go a little low on the budget. Try to make your budget a little less.
We are planning of starting a theme restaurant, like a outlet will look like a boat. It will actually be a boat only, where everyone, the guest will sit on a boat, like everything will be like inside a ship.
Okay, so you're trying to make the ambience like a real boat, which is not going to sail in the water, but it will be a
Yacht
dock
life.
restaurant. Okay, that's good. So I think anything more to add? How are you going to pay your wages? How much income are you going to make? What is your projection?
Mudra,
No, income every day. How do you think?
Our margin is like around 1 lakh per month.
Per month,
yeah, and as of Mudra plan, we don't have to pay for 1 year.
1 year. Okay.
So we are relaxed for 1 year. We can generate
But
revenue.
have you heard that restaurant businesses can make around 20,000 a day,
Yes,
even if it is a special unique restaurant? Have you heard about
We will be
it?
having tourists coming in.
So if you see 20,000 per day, if you multiply it by 30 days, you'll be keeping your restaurant closed for a day. So 30 days of a month multiplied by 20,000 is about 6 lakhs. Have you thought about it? That you will make 6 lakhs instead of having 1 lakh target? Okay. So you need to do your calculations proper. You have to go back to your working boards and do your calculations. Then only you can plan a better business. But thank you. This is a team of batch number 89423, and they came up with a business plan to start a unique restaurant. Thank you and bye.
I'll be starting a cafe, location Verna Industrial Area, a cafe name Ao Kao Chow. So we have taken a cafe rent 10.
The rent of the cafe will be 10K per month.
Okay, you're getting a rented place.
We are getting rented
That's
Then,
good. Always startups are better on rented places to experiment rather than investing. Good.
And the capacity of that restaurant will be something 30 people,
30.
and there will be 2 cooks.
one with the head and one with the assistant one. 3 waiters and 1 guy in utility washing dishes and all.
In the industrial estate, why don't you use disposable? Your clients can dispose, you don't need utility, to save cost.
So sometimes
You can use disposable cups, disposable plates. Cafe, right?
yeah, we keep food also like.
Okay, fine, okay, go.
Plates and all. So as for the budget, like per one cook will be paid 15,000, and the assistant.
All of them will be paid?
No. And the assistant will be paid 12,000.
Okay,
All 3 waiters will be paid something 9k,
okay.
and the utility guy will be paid 8k. So the overall budget only one salary will be something 75,000.
75,000 every month.
Yeah, every month. And as a startup, for startup and for renovating, as we do on rent basis, there will be some sort of
Expenses.
expenses or repairing and on new appliances. So overall, taking buying utensils, table, chairs, painting the restaurant, the overall will be something like more 1 lakh.
More than a lakh?
Yeah, more than
Okay,
a lakh.
yeah. And how you'll arrange the money?
We'll from PM to buy from Mudra.
Only 1 lakh? How much
We'll
you?
apply for 3 lakhs.
3 lakhs. I think it's a little less if you calculate. The equipment that you need is quite more.
We need a lakh.
Furniture itself will be more than 1 lakh. Tables and chairs. But anyway, you continue now. Later on you can do the exact expense of the furniture or the equipment. Continue.
We take license from the
Yeah, licenses, okay.
We have also have a backup of 50,000 as a backup, so that if business doesn't progress, so in middle of the month we can pay our employee. So we have backup of something 1 lakh.
Yeah, that is, we call it working capital.
Yeah, working capital.
You need working capital.
Backup capital.
But you said that 1 month you need 75,000 to pay.
Yeah.
So 25,000.
In case we will have some sort of progress.
Okay,
Just
fine.
don't go that bankrupt.
Okay.
So our per day income is 8k to 10k.
Because as the people will come from industry, they will bring something.
8,000 to 10,000 every day. Very good.
Because people
So you will make around 3 lakhs business every day.
people will already here and there on the roads.
Okay,
workers
good,
and
good, good.
So they will have something
So in cafe we are putting also a TV to watch
to entertain the
entertainment,
guests.
yes,
Yeah, especially news and things like that. Okay, very good.
songs.
Very
they,
nice.
they won't feel like lonely something and then.
But why you choose industrial estate?
Because there's always a duty like morning. There's shift duties over there. So people prefer to have something when they are on night duty. They'll come with their friend,
Okay.
hang out over there. And even
Before going home, they'll have a coffee
even
or
neighbors
have a
pass by
snack.
through them. So they'll have something. They won't be empty stomach.
Okay. What is this gentleman got to say about the business plan? He's going to be the manager?
Manager.
Okay, so he doesn't want to speak. Okay, this is again another group from the batch number 89423. Thank you, everyone.
We are going to open a food truck, and the name of it is V5. Because V5 are computing from our, and the location will be Wagata beach side. Our budget will be 1 lakh per person. And
So you get 5 lakhs.
yes.
How much does a food truck cost? Huh? Second hand, you will buy a second hand truck? Ah, okay. Then it will be cheaper. Because I think a new truck should cost about 8 lakhs or so. But a second hand, you might get it for a cheaper price.
Permissions from FTA.
Yeah, good. That's it?
Sir, each one will do each job, driving will be done by Tanesh.
Do you have a driving license, Tanesh? Commercial? Okay, so you'll have to get a commercial license. Because a van will be commercial, no? Okay, so remember that. Okay, next.
Cooking will be done
Mumbai, Tinish, IB, and
Yeah. All of you are going to contribute. So you don't need labor because
labor.
your minivan would be employing all 5 of you. Very good.
So service will be done by Suresh and Tinish, and accountant Reema.
Yes. You'll be also having tables, chairs put outside. Okay. Foldable and plastic that you can take home. Okay.
So our menu will be shawarma, spicy and non-spicy.
So quick service restaurant on wheels.
Burger, bread, chicken, soft drinks, chicken popcorn, club sandwich, french fries, 2 minute noodles.
What is your target for daily sales? What will be your target for daily sales? Have you done a work on that to find out how much you will earn in a day, how much income will you make? Because you have 5 people now.
5,000.
5,000. So each one gets 1,000 rupees on the food truck. Okay, that's good.
And we will also be having combos.
Combo offers. Okay, good.
So we have we also have combo, burger plus.
I think you have a lot of things, items in your menu. And
Wednesday off, 20% off.
you have an offer on Wednesday. That's good. That will attract more business. What type of clients you are expecting? What type of clients? Since you are in Vagator, you will be on the beach. So you will have, you are expecting tourist. What about locals? Locals also can come?
Yes.
The main target is who? Tourist. Why all selected Vagator? Why not Goa Vella? Agasain?
No, because there are too much tourists.
But there are people who eat food, no?
Yeah.
What do you think? Instead of going to Vagator, like, oh, don't you feel like you can do it in your locality? Okay, think about it, because instead of going so far and wasting your time, your food can be also served in the locality. Local permissions might be required to park your vehicle. That you have to find out. So this is again the third group from afternoon batch ID 89423. Thank you very much.